The Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, remains unfazed by the heated exchanges regarding the West Philippine Sea. Their mandate also remains clear for them to protect the said territory, even if it means sacrificing their lives. Meanwhile, the Kalayaan Palawan LGU wants Senator Rodante Marcoleta's debate challenge to be held in Pag-asa Island. Patrick De Jesus has the full details in this report.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines is in favor of the initiative to invite government officials to visit the West Philippine Sea. This is in relation to the invitation made by Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, to the father and son Senator Rodante Marcoleta and Representative Paulo Marcoleta to visit the Kalayaan Island Group following their recent statements.
We support the Philippine Coast Guard and the move to invite officials. Case-to-case basis, we invite government officials to visit the island.
Senator Marcoleta earlier said that he first wants a friendly debate with retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Antonio Carpio, UP Professor Attorney J. Batong Bakal, and Commodore Tariela. For Tariela, the West Philippine Sea should no longer be debated because it has already been affirmed by the 2016 Arbitral Award, as well as the country's constitution and domestic laws. He also said that his invitation remains open for the Marcoleta father and son to join a maritime domain awareness flight or a sovereign patrol aboard a PCG vessel. But Carpio accepted Marcoleta's debate challenge and said the topic should focus on the legal definition of the West Philippine Sea, including the Kalayaan Island Group.
Handa ako. We can debate on that. My goal is the people will be educated, everybody, that there is already a definition of West Philippine Sea. Nasa batas na natin yan eh. So you cannot say, hindi natin alam kung saan yan.
Meanwhile, the Kalayaan Palawan LGU wants the debate to be held on Pag-asa Island and said they are open to host it.
Our secretariat will be working together to conceptualize, to sit down and to explore what kind of setup that we'll be having dahil gusto ho namin na para po maramdaman po namin na kung pinagdedebatehan man yung aming existence, at least nandun po kami. It's not really a challenge but an invitation. It's with sincerity and wholeheartedly we will let him feel how loving our constituents in Pag-asa Islands are.
Amid the heated exchanges, the AFP said it remains unfazed and clear about its mandate to protect the West Philippine Sea, even if it means sacrificing their lives.
The mere fact that we wear the uniform, we swore to protect this country from all threats, domestic and foreign. It goes without saying, if and when the ultimate sacrifice is necessary, we expect the AFP to perform its mandate, regardless of the cost.
The AFP also said the public should not lose sight of the real issue and the challenges the country is facing in the West Philippine Sea.
The objective of foreign malign influence and intervention is to divide Philippine society, to divide Philippine leaders, to cause us to debate among ourselves, and to forget that the bigger issue ay yung nanghimasok sa ating EEZ, ang PLA Navy, Chinese Coast Guard, and the Maritime Militia, their illegal presence.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.